Hello and welcome everyone. আগৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি ইণ্ডিয়ান কনষ্টিটিউচনৰ যিখিনি চেলিয়েন্ট ফিচাৰ্ছ আছিল আৰু সোৰ্সখিনি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো আৰু এই ভিডিঅ'টোত এই মক টেষ্টটো বেসড হ'ব আমাৰ আগৰ চেপ্টাৰটোৰ ওপৰত. So there will be 20 questions each carrying 2 marks and there will be penalty of 0.5 marks for each wrong answer. আৰু আমাৰ এই কোৱেশ্চন বিলাক বেসড হ'ব আমাৰ প্ৰিভিয়াস ভিডিঅ' গিটাৰ ওপৰত. গতিকে মক টেষ্টটো এটেম্প্ট কৰাৰ আগত আমাৰ আগৰ ভিডিঅ' গিটা চাই লোৱাৰ কাৰণে অনুৰোধ জনালো. আৰু শেষত আপোনালোকে আপোনাৰ স্কোৰখিনি কমেন্ট সেকশনত জনোৱাৰ কাৰণে অনুৰোধ জনোৱা হ'ল. So best of luck. Let's see. So the first question is, in a parliamentary form of government, real powers of the state are vested in the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister, President, Governor, Parliament. So the correct answer will be Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. So they are the real executive and President is the nominal executive of the state. Then, which of the following is not a basic feature of the Constitution of India? So the options are presidential government, parliamentary government, federal government or independent of judiciary. So the correct answer will be presidential government because we follow a parliamentary form of government. Then, which of the following is a feature of the parliamentary form of government? So the options are executive is responsible to the judiciary, executive is responsible to legislature, judiciary is responsible to executive, or legislature is responsible to executive. So the correct answer will be executive is responsible to the legislature. Then, which of the following features of the Constitution of India does not resemble the American Constitution? Written Constitution, federal form of government, fundamental rights or parliamentary form of government. So the correct answer is parliamentary form of government. American Constitution follow a presidential form of government. Next, match the following. So ইয়াত আমাৰ এফালে কনস্টিটিউশনাল প্ৰভিজন খিনি দিয়া থাকিব আৰু আনফালে সোর্স দিয়া থাকিব. So আমি কারেক্ট অপশন খিনি মিলাই যাব লাগিব. So আমাৰ প্ৰথমতে দিয়া আছে ফেডারেশন USA, পার্লামেন্টারি ব্রিটেইন, ডাইরেক্টিভ প্রিন্সিপালস কানাডা, ফান্ডামেন্টাল রাইটস আয়ারল্যান্ড. আৰু ইয়াৰ অপশন কিটা হ'ব. সো আমি জানো যে ফেডারেশনটো লোৱা হৈছে কানাডাৰ পৰা, পার্লামেন্টারি ফর্ম অফ গভর্নমেন্ট আহিছে আমাৰ ব্ৰিটেইনৰ পৰা, ডাইরেক্টিভ প্রিন্সিপালস লোৱা হৈছে আয়াৰল্যান্ডৰ পৰা আৰু ফান্ডামেন্টাল রাইটস লোৱা হৈছে US এর পৰা. So the correct answer will be D, 3241. Then, originally the Indian Constitution comprises of 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules, 371 articles, 21 parts and 11 schedules, 372 articles, 20 parts and 7 schedules, 381 articles, 23 parts and 8 schedules. So we know that originally Indian Constitution comprises of 395 articles divided into 22 parts and 8 schedules. Then, the Indian Constitution is regarded as federal, unitary, parliamentary or federal in form and unitary in spirit. So the correct answer will be federal in form and unitary in spirit. Then, under which article the Constitution of India can be amended? Article 32, Article 368, Article 1 or Article 356. So the correct answer will be Article 368. Then, from which of the countries Constitution of India has adopted fundamental duties? So the options are USA, Canada, erstwhile USSR or UK. So the correct answer will be erstwhile USSR or present day Russia. Then, the fundamental duties of Indian citizens were provided by an amendment of the Constitution, a judgment of the Supreme Court, an order issued by the President or a legislation adopted by the Parliament. So the correct answer will be an amendment of the Constitution. So the fundamental duties were added by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Then, the total number of fundamental duties mentioned in the Constitution is 9, 10, 11 or 12. So the correct answer will be 11. Then, which of the following features does the Indian Constitution borrow from the Weimar Constitution of Germany? So the options are the idea of a federation with a strong center, the method of presidential elections, the emergency powers, or provisions concerning the suspension of fundamental rights during national emergency. So the correct answer will be provisions concerning the suspension of fundamental rights during national emergency. Then, Which constitution has inspired the Indian concepts of rule of law, parliamentary system, and lawmaking procedure? Options are US Constitution, British Constitution, Canadian Constitution, or all of the above. So the correct answer will be British Constitution. Then, the Indian Constitution closely follows the constitutional system of USA, UK, Switzerland, or Russia. So the correct answer will be B, UK. Then, which of the following features and their source is wrongly matched? So the options are judicial review, British practice, concurrent list, Australian Constitution, directive principles, Irish Constitution, or fundamental rights, US Constitution. So the correct answer will be judicial review, British practice. It is wrong because judicial review is a American practice. Then, match the following. Yat efale amar features thakibo aru efale anfale source thakibo. Aru ami correct answer to match koribo lage. So, rule of law, German Constitution, directive principles, Australian Constitution, concurrent list, Irish Constitution, suspension of fundamental rights, British Constitution. Amar option khini hol ekhini. So আমি জানো যে rule of law লোৱা হৈছে British Constitution ৰ পৰা, directive principles আহিছে আমাৰ Irish Constitution ৰ পৰা, concurrent list আহিছে Australian Constitution ৰ পৰা, আৰু suspension of fundamental rights during emergency আমাৰ লোৱা হৈছে German Constitution ৰ পৰা. So the correct code will be B4321. Next, in India the concept of single citizenship is adopted from England, USA, Canada, or France. So the correct answer will be England. Then, the Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of USA, Canada, Ireland, or UK. So the correct answer will be Canada. Then, the inspiration of liberty, equality, and fraternity was derived from American Revolution, French Revolution, Russian Revolution, or none of the above. So the correct answer will be French Revolution. So next and the last question is, fundamental duties have been added in the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 in accordance with the recommendations of Santhanam Committee, Sarkaria Committee, Swaran Singh Committee, or Indira Gandhi Committee. So the correct answer will be Swaran Singh Committee. So at this we come to the end of this video. Next video to preamble of the Constitution chapter to discuss korim. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more lessons on Indian polity. Thank you.